Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Got a domain on GoDaddy and want to use it with your Wix website? In this video, I will walk you through the exact steps to connect your GoDaddy domain to Wix. Whether you want to do it automatically or manually, let's get started. Go to wix.com and log into your account. From the dashboard, go to settings, then select domain, and click connected domain you already own. Enter your GoDaddy domain name, example mybrand.com, and click next. Wix will give you two options: connect via a name servers or pointing. Let's go with the recommended way, name servers, which gives Wix full control. Choose connect via name servers. Click start. Wix will now ask you to update settings in GoDaddy. This method allows Wix to manage your domain DNS automatically, easier and faster. Now open a new tab and go to godaddy.com. Log into your account and click my product section. Find your domain and click DNS. This is where you will change the domain's name server so Wix can take over the connection. Scroll to the name servers section, click change, select custom, replace the existing name servers with ns6.wixdns.net, Wix, then ns7.wixdns.net. Save the changes. Your domain may go offline temporarily while these changes take effect. That's totally normal. Go back to your Wix tab and click verify connection. It might say pending. That's okay. DNS changes can take up to 48 hours, but often complete within a few hours. You will get a confirmation email from Wix once everything is connected and live. In Wix, then settings, then domain. Set your GoDaddy domain as primary. This ensures your visitors only see your custom domain, not the free wixsite.com version. This step boosts your branding and trust, especially important for businesses. And that's it. Your GoDaddy domain is now connected to your Wix site. If this video was helpful, thanks. Hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a questions. Uh, your questions below. I respond to every comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.